How'd you like to put a few more of these in your life, right? Who wouldn't? Hey, it's Todd Walters with Your Home Sold Guaranteed. And did you know that there is no part of industry norms and standards that you can use to become super successful selling real estate? So I'm inviting you to join me in a panel of multimillionaire real estate agents on a very special webinar presentation where you will see how to pretty much make a list of everything that's normal and customary in real estate and do the complete opposite. After all, that is how you become super successful, by not doing what the majority of the agents do. This is a proprietary and exclusive system that we're going to share with you. And when you copy and go all in on what you will learn here, I guarantee you, you'll sell more homes, you'll make more money without giving up your personal life to do it, and live out your God-given potential. So join me, this panel of multimillionaire real estate agents, on this very special online presentation, and let's go make history.